Good evening po, Pangasinan Branch, as of August 18, 2026. Base po sa DMA po namin kanina, ang hindi po natapos is itong mga to. Bali darating pa lang po sila sa delivery bukas. Wala pong may day off tomorrow. Parcel for pickup na bawas, isa lang po from yesterday. Wala po nadagdag for today. Sir, pending po is ito sila pa rin po. Darating pa lang po bukas. Wala po kaming hotspot. Sir, printed at 8:30 p.m. Issued receipt po namin is 3. Consumable use is DTF only. FB page na sagutan po is 4. E-holder po for tomorrow is si Chris and si Judy. Ito po yung stock room namin. Ito naman po yung sa locker.
Ito naman po yung garbage. Napalitan na. Garbage.